7 Facts about rice. 1. Rice is the most widely grown cereal crop in the world. It is grown in over 100 countries and provides food for over half of the world's population. 2. There are over 40,000 varieties of rice. They differ in size, shape, color, and taste. 3. Rice is a good source of carbohydrates, protein, and fiber. It is also a good source of vitamins and minerals, such as thiamin, niacin, and iron. 4. Rice can be cooked in a variety of ways. It can be boiled, steamed, fried, or even popped like popcorn. 5. Rice is a versatile food that can be used in many dishes. It is a staple ingredient in many Asian cuisines, but it can also be used in Western dishes, such as risotto and paella. 6. Rice is a gluten-free food. This makes it a good choice for people with celiac disease or gluten intolerance. 7. Rice is a sustainable crop. It can be grown in a variety of climates and does not require a lot of water.